Mortgage rates could come down again with some help from the Fed. I'm Bob Gosselin from Gosselin Realty. This is your weekly West Orange County real estate report for the week ending September 15th. In an effort to reduce borrowing costs for homebuyers and bolster the recovery, the Federal Reserve announced last week it will continue to buy mortgage-backed securities until job growth picks up significantly. It's an open-ended plan. Usually the Fed just buys a certain dollar amount of these securities. Now, what's the effect going to be? Well, it depends who you talk to. Some experts say we could get back down to record interest rates. Others say the banks have been so tight-fisted and demanding on credit scores, it won't do much for home buyers. However, everyone agrees short-term interest rates, what banks charge each other to borrow, should stay near zero into 2015. Taking a look at what sold last week in West Orange County, we pull these numbers from the Mid-Florida Regional MLS and include the communities of Ocoee, Winter Garden, Oakland, Gotha, and Windermere. 25 single-family homes sold. Top price paid $1.8 million for a 5-bed, 6-bath, 6,500 square foot home in the reserve at Lake Butler Sound. 13 homes sold for under $250,000. 10 of those were bought for cash. 36 new listings hit the market last week. Barely a third are at $250,000 or less. Asking prices definitely starting to tick up. 42 new contracts were signed last week. The rental market has been pretty strong in West Orange in 2012. Many renters chasing too few rentals has created strong rent rates. A couple of developers think Ocoee is ripe for more multifamily rentals. As reported last week in the Orlando Business Journal, 2 new apartment complexes totaling over 450 units could be coming to McGuire Road, one on Tommen Boulevard, the other south at Roberson. The city is currently reviewing the plans to see if there is a need. These will be higher-end Class A rental property. Now, it'll be at least 18 to 24 months before the first tenant moves in, but we love the idea because tenants often become buyers. The National Association of Realtors announced last week that houses are selling in 1/3 less time now than a year ago. With inventory still low across the country, the good properties get snatched up quickly. The other effect of low inventory, of course, is increased prices and increased value for the neighbors that sellers leave behind. CoreLogic says in the second quarter, another 600,000 U.S. homeowners are no longer underwater or upside down. The value of their home is now more than what they owe. And while many of us in Metro Orlando also got our housing head above water, overall, 49% of area homeowners continue to be upside down. That's twice the national number. We've got a long way to go. I'm Bob Gosselin from Gosselin Realty. That's your weekly West Orange County real estate report. Do something good for America this week. Buy some real estate. We'll see you next time.